All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So, finally, I get to finish doing Ramadan. I had to take 3 days off, but now I am back. So, today we are going to be making some Chipotle Tuscan salmon and shrimp over top of cauliflower rice. So, we're going to chop us up about 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to chop us up 2 tomatoes. You can get big tomatoes. You can get the plum size tomatoes. That's the one I use. And you're just going to cook your salmon how you normally would cook it. I just seasoned mine with Old Bay, Italian seasoning, parsley, and red pepper flakes. And I just added a little bit of butter. Then we are going to throw those shrimps in the pan with the same exact grease that we use for the salmon. We're going to season that with Old Bay, garlic powder, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of red pepper. We're going to add our tomato and garlic to this to give it that savory taste. And then we are going to add Italian seasoning. We are going to cook this down until the shrimp is completely done. You're going to add about a tablespoon of butter in there. You don't have to do that part. I do because I like mine to be a little bit more, I don't know, just give it a savory taste to me. Adding more butter. And I'm doing keto Ramadan, so I can have butter. But anyway, you're going to mix this well. You're going to let your tomatoes get like nice and soft. And I'm going to squeeze about a half of lemon inside of here, making sure I don't get no seeds up in here. All right, and then I'm going to add some chipotles. And these ones are spicy. I got these from Aldi's. They were just in a can. I just poured them into a bowl because I've been using them all week long. This chipotle, take this dish to another level. It is so delicious. Anyway, all right, I'm done all the talking. Enjoy the video. So here I did want to say I just removed the chipotles from the dish because if you keep them in there longer, it makes it really spicy. And my kids was eating some of this, so I didn't want it to be too spicy. If I was eating it alone, then I would have left them in there. But it does make them really hot, so I decided to take some of them. Actually, I took all of them out. It was just 3. I just took those out. All right, you guys, so here is what everything looks like, and this is going to be the end of this video, you guys. You guys know I thank you for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me, and as always, I thank you for watching.